Good morning. You are listening Pooja Kushwaha, your news anchor of Lava Fara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 16th June from around the world. Ganza's health minister contracts COVID-19. Ganza's president Nana Akufo-Addo said the health minister had contracted the virus in his line of duty, leading the West African nations' fight against COVID-19. Pharma giant AstraZeneca strikes deal with Europe's inclusive vaccine. The deal aimed to make the vaccine available to other European countries that wish to take part. France reopens economy to quicken recovery from COVID-19 crisis. France, which has reported at least 29,398 deaths from the coronavirus in hospitals and nursing homes, was under strict lockdown from March 17 to May 11 before gradually easing restrictions. 90% of people given vaccine by Sinovac show promising result. The Beijing-based company's vaccine called CoronaVac has not caused severe side effects, and more than 90% of people administered with the shot on a 14 days interval have induced neutralizing antibodies 2 weeks after inoculation, Sinovac said in a press release on Sunday. 40,000 cruise ship workers still trapped at sea amid COVID-19 concerns. Cruise lines stopped selling in mid-March after several high-profile outbreaks at sea. More than 600 people fell ill aboard Carnival Corporation Diamond Princess while it was quarantined off Japan, for example. First time in 2 months, Iran's daily coronavirus death toll tops 100. Iran recorded 107 deaths in the past 24 hours, taking the total to 8,837. The total number of cases in the country has reached 1,87,427. President Hassan Rouhani said that Iran will reimpose restrictions to stem the surge in coronavirus cases if health regulations are not observed. Man urinates on memorial of cop during far-right protest in London held. Far-right protesters clashed in London on Saturday with anti-racist demonstrators and with police trying to keep the two sides apart. A demonstrator reacted in front of graffiti on a statue of Winston Churchill in Parliament Square during a Black Lives Matter protest in London following the death of George Floyd, who died in police custody in Minneapolis, London on June 7, 2020. Beijing reinstitutes measures as China reports more COVID-19 cases. Of the new cases, 36 were reported on Monday in Beijing, traced to a wholesale market that supplies much of the city's meat and vegetables. China has reported a total of 4,634 deaths from the virus among 83,181 confirmed cases. England shops reopen today as lockdown eases. Massive discounts on offer to offload Euro 15 billion unsold stock. The stores have been closed since March 23 when Prime Minister Boris Johnson imposed a lockdown to stem the spread of the virus. Hong Kong security laws may not be retroactive, says China. Organizations ranging from business chambers to human rights groups have criticized Beijing moved to bypass Hong Kong's legislature and impose laws banning subversion, secession, and foreign interference. I, Pooja Kushwaha, come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.